Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you all the new researches coming in the Call of Whales upcoming update. So there are two brand new researches, Glasswort and Sea Grapes. And first, about the Glasswort, it also known as a sea asparagus that looks just like asparagus and it has a naturally sweet and delicious flavor, making it a perfect ingredient for the new recipe, the Glasswort shrimp fried rice recipe. And then for the second one is sea grapes. It's a type of green algae that covered with tiny green bits like bubbles like this. It has a light, naturally salty taste and it used to make the new sea grapes and shiitake chawanmushi recipe. So make sure to collect both of these new ingredients after the update launch, and because they will be essential for cooking the brand new ocean steam recipe in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.